Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining very fast issue on your iPhone after 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now your iPhone is draining the battery very fast, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then you have to simply delete some useless data from here. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and delete all that useless apps from your iPhone which you don't use. So guys, check the apps, and if you are not using any app from here then you have to simply delete that app from your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to the VPN and device management settings, and from here make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN then you have to simply disconnect it. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go back and restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply make sure that you are using at least one app on your iPhone and there are no running apps in the background. So guys, here you can see this. If there are so many apps that are running in the background, then you have to simply close all those apps which are running in the background. So guys, you have to simply use at least one app on your iPhone at a time. So guys, do this, and after this the battery draining problem will be fixed on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.